Quick update for you guys. This is Adrian, your real estate Warsaw investor, and right now I'm in the flat, the beautiful flat I've put all this effort to renovate, invest in, and we rented it out, of course. And now I want to tell you what I've learned in this situation and what you should not do, okay? So if you ever decide to do a 2-pack or a 3-pack, definitely I would recommend to do it in a new building. Because if you do it in an old building, these Soviet people in the administration, they hate it when you do something without their approval. Basically, here, as I last checked it, I didn't even need to do a zgłoszenie, which is notifying them that I'm gonna do a renovation. But, well, anyways, it's a notification, and in the end, they were notified. And yeah, I just was in a gray area, so I didn't want to show them that it's gonna be a two-sided apartment, and it turned out it backfired anyways. So okay, anyways, if you're gonna do a 2-pack or 2 separate apartments, I would just go with new developments. And as you can see here, everything was already finished, the workers are coming. Cześć. Możesz pracę. And here, as you can see, I'm destroying the walls that I've created. Of course, not me personally by hand, but it's really fucking annoying, yeah? So they're gonna try to install the doors. As you can see, yeah, I hope there's some gazobeton bricks. It's been so dusty here anyways. Yeah, guys, it takes, never re-renovate. Renovating 2 times is like the worst thing you can do. It's fucking annoying. So, yeah, if you're gonna buy in an old building. If you're gonna, I'm gonna put this, if you're gonna, renovating when people are already here. So if you decide to do it, or I was forced to do it, right? Usually you would not have tenants here, but now I do. So the tenants are annoyed, of course, they don't have calm and peace, and I have to pay them something now, half of the rent, and then call them, annoy them. Now I have to come here. So renovating later on is just costly, man. I mean, even if you do renovation once, and then you have to do it like me now, or you have to re-renovate, it's fucking horrible, man, horrible. You're losing 1 to 2 months of rent. You are annoying people. And by the way, there are so many small details. Let me just show you one. Here, as you can see, even if we remove the walls, like, I don't have spare of these. So if you're picking out not easily available materials, fuck, this is annoying, man. So for me, luckily, I wasn't thinking about this. I was choosing just cheap materials, but my floor, I could actually get them. So luckily, I don't have a problem with that, yeah. But yeah, if you're buying like special materials that are not readily available, whenever such small renovations happen, you're completely destroyed, okay? So listen to these small advice things. Yeah, when you do a renovation, do it once and do it clearly, do it as good as you can. And yeah, one other thing I didn't know, and my architect didn't know, was that the width of the doors to the bathrooms, yeah, from, yeah, basically the area open between the doors, yeah, should be 80 centimeters. So my bathroom doors here were 60 centimeters, and yeah, my architect didn't know. She was actually planning to do 60s, but she was planning to do 70s, but she did. But then one of the doors was too big, so I just decided to make 160, and then why not just make both 60? So I made both 60. But anyways, both were illegal. You're not allowed to have less than 80, and she didn't know. And yeah, in the end, it is their responsibility. So if you hire an architect with the, what is it called, the architect's documents, then it will be their fault. My architect was never a real architect, right? like she did an amazing job, but she didn't know about this. So, but these things are actually their fault, really. So somehow it should be taken out of that insurance. But anyways, my whole design from the beginning, you know, what I've given to the architect to do, a certified architect would probably know like the other illegalities, not let's say illegalities, but maybe gray zones, yeah? About the ventilation, for example. Here in this flat, or in any flat, you need to have one ventilation connected to the kitchen and one to the bathroom. Now we have 2 bathrooms and 2 kitchens, and we have 2 ventilations, yeah? So basically, this is an annoying thing, because now I know how to do the ventilations. You just make a hole in the wall and you install a ventilator, you know, recuperator. It's like both throws in air and throws out air. So that's possible to do. You see that wall right there, that wall right there. So it's easy to do, but my building administrators, they're not gonna agree to this probably. So it's gonna make us, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So it's so painful to, after all of this work, you don't even know if you're gonna be out in the clear, yeah? So then if they don't accept it, so I've put all this money now for these renovations and all of that, and then I'm gonna have to, I don't know, maybe spend money again and turn this into a completely different flat, and that's just so scary. Yeah, it kind of depresses me, but it's okay. I'm learning. Who cares? Who needs money anyways? Okay, so that is that. Yeah, if you have a normal administration, which I doubt you do in Poland, but if you do, then for ventilation you can connect it to the outside, and that's it. Yeah, and if you can have each flat more than 25 square meters, if you want to legally divide them, then that's possible too. So anyways, keep this thing in mind, and these are my mistakes, and hopefully in the next projects I will not do the same mistakes. Not hopefully, I will not. If you haven't joined our Facebook group where you can learn about such problems, join it. And right now I have the renovation team working here, so if you need any help or thoughts, or to one-on-one learn from my mistakes, you have my email down in the description below. And let's go do something bigger, yeah? Because staying on small things is not something I like to do. So I'm already looking at lands, doing bigger things. And if I solve the problem with my land now, that's the nicest project I can put on that land, yeah? So let's do it. Have fun. Bye.